Detoxification of the organism through the feet. Detoxifying the body through the feet is a very easy and simple but efficient way to cleanse the body of toxins that accumulate over time, by not cutting with certain foods in our diet. In addition, detoxification through the feet is considered as one of the safest ways to detoxify. There are many types of detoxifying procedures for the feet, including detoxifying patches for homemade feet and detoxifying foot baths, which are electric. Patches for feet. These patches or pads are usually made with bamboo tree extracts, and you can buy them at a health product store. These patches have their origin in the Japanese culture and are very easy to use. In many cases, applying detox foot patches before going to sleep and removing them when you get up will do a wonderful job. Usually, patches are obscured by toxins that are removed from the body overnight, with only one use. People who use these detox foot patches feel less fatigue, less joint pain and less headaches. How to make a homemade patch. Ingredients: onion, garlic, water, gauze adhesive or adhesive tape for chiffon only. Instructions: 1. Chop finely the garlic and the onion. 2. Place in a pot with water and boil for 10 minutes. 3. Let the water cool for about 20 minutes and wet the gauze, which should be of a size that fits inside the sole of the foot. 4. Before going to rest at night, place the gauze on the foot and then a sock to secure. 5. Retire in the morning. Most likely the gauze will have darkened due to the toxins removed. Ionic foot baths. Ionic foot baths are used to detoxify the body by extracting toxins from the feet. They use an electrical method that produces positive and negative ions in warm water with salt. How does it work? Ionic foot baths work by ionizing the warm water with salt alternating polarities, while you breathe gently and enjoy the sense of security that comes from submerging and cleaning your feet. To do this you must acquire the machine or attend a specialized center where they have it. While the feet are washed, the toxins are released from the body. These toxins are usually the result of unhealthy eating habits, mostly consistent consumption of processed foods and saturated fats. In addition, we inhale other toxins by being surrounded by airborne contamination, which builds up in the body if we do not exercise.